Welcome back, team. Stay right here in this educational video. I'm going to teach you how you can start trading Forex pairs as futures. You might have seen recently there's been a lot of issues with prop firms and brokerage houses and the Forex market. And that's because they like to play the game of manipulation. Often they are the market makers. They are providing extremely bad spreads for people that want to play FX, and they are punishing them, taking them out the market before doing the move. And that's because the Forex industry is not properly regulated, which is completely different to the futures market. The futures market is regulated by CME, which means there is constant liquidity and you are never going to get skipped on a stop. So if you're coming from a Forex background, maybe you've got your favorite pairs that you like to play and you're looking to get into the futures market because you need something regulated, this video right here has got you covered. And in fact, there are plenty of prop firms out there that will provide you capital if you pass their challenges to play the FX market as a future. A lot of people don't understand that. The most popular market most people play on futures is the SPY E-mini, or ticker name ES, closely followed by the NASDAQ, the NQ, and then gold, GC. Very few people understand that there are so many markets you can play, and Forex makes up a big part of that. So if you're looking for a prop firm that will look after you and provide you capital to trade this market, Apex has got you covered. So let's head over to their website now and we can look at all the different symbols that you can play. Here we are on the Apex website and you will see these are the most popular symbols that I was just talking about. These are the indexes that most people play. But if you just scroll down a bit here, you will see the currencies futures market and you will see there is plenty here for you to play. Okay, so these are all versus USD. So if some of these are your favorite pairs, then you have the possibility of playing these. And just like the other futures market, if you are looking to play with less leverage and you want to use micros instead of minis, you simply put an M in front of the ticker name. So if I scroll down, we will probably see some of these listed. So here we go, right here. So you have the E-mini USD JPY M6J, the Euro USD M6E, and the Aussie Dollar USD M6A. So as you can see, you can also play the micro version. Lots of people are not using the full power of Apex and these prop firms to play these. This is a much safer bet for you because you are not going to get manipulated by your brokers like we've seen happen over the last 12 months, where many of these brokers and firms are now getting shut down. So the next question you probably need to know is, what is each point worth in this? So the way we can find that out is simply by going over to the provider, which in this case is CME. CME provides all the data and is the market maker for absolutely everything in the futures field. So here we are on CME Group's website, okay? And it's here that you can check the specs of any futures product you want to trade. And all you have to do is put in the symbol. So I'm going to start right here with the pound, okay, GBP and USD. So opening up this and we will get to see the specs. Okay, and right here you've got everything you need to know right here. So the important stuff you need to know is the trading hours, okay, the time in which it closes for that small break. And down here, this is the key thing here, right? The increments, that's how much you're going to make or lose per increment. It's really important you know that because everything in futures is different. There is no guarantee that another product will also be 6.25. Okay, some of the products I trade are $5 increments, other ones are $20 increments. So it's really important you always understand the product in which you're trading. So now we understand that with Apex and in futures, you can trade Forex or FX. Let's show you how you can do that. And the way I like to trade is via TradeOvate on TradingView. So hopping over onto TradingView and you will see my watch list I have here running every day. So these are the futures that I'm normally looking at and trading. I also have crypto, and if you didn't know, you can also trade crypto futures. Mag 7 because I like to look at the strength of the market, the bonds, and here you go, the FX futures. Okay, so these are all the Forex futures. These are all the pairs. So this is the Australian dollar versus the dollar. This is Great British Pound dollar, Canadian, Euro, Yen, Swiss franc, and so on, so on. So you can trade these in exactly the same way. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So I want you to study this chart here. I'm on an hourly chart of the British Pound futures. Okay, so if I wanted to trade this today, this was the price action I was looking at on an hourly chart. And if I flick over to the Forex of GBP and USD, you will see it is identical. All right, exactly the same. The levels are the same. Everything you're looking at is the same. The only change you will need to make is understanding your risk in terms of what you're making or losing per point. The other thing that you need to be aware of is liquidity. Okay, these markets in the futures market are not as regularly traded, so you need to be aware of liquidity. If you are not getting filled, it is not because the broker is trying to slip you or not filling you like you would have in the foreign exchange. It is a question of liquidity. Okay, and the way you can navigate that is by using tools like the level 2 and like Bookmap to see where liquidity lies on the tape, and then you know where you can get involved. Most of the time you will find though, you will get filled at levels that you want to get filled at and you will be able to exit. So it is a fantastic product if you are coming over from the Forex area and you are looking to still maintain trading your favorite pairs. You can still do that in futures, and you can still do it with prop firms like Apex, who currently have a sale on. So if you click the link down below and use my code at checkout, it will get you the best available sale always. If you are interested in trading with me and my community at Flowzone, where we trade live together every day in Discord, you can hit the link down below. You can do the 20-hour course and you can join our community. The sale is on now, but it will run out very, very soon. I hope this video has helped you. Hopefully it softens the blow for some of you who might have had some issues in the Forex world. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget, like and subscribe to this video. I'll be back real soon with some more education.